Alright folks, another late night dad project. How to get power to a floating love seat when you don't have an outlet and you have wood floors. Alright, so what I did here, guys, I went to Harbor Freight and I got a 400 watt power inverter. A little bit of overkill for this project. Because each of the motors really only needs 75 watts each. So plenty of power here from this inverter for this. Now I did originally put a small 12 volt battery that I had from for like the kids' Power Wheels, but I started running into problems where it would drain the battery pretty quickly. So this is my test run with a marine battery that I had in the garage. Big 12 volt marine battery, so pretty easy. Just connected the power inverter to the 12 volt channels, and then I have the adapters for the motors to the sofa just plugged in, and so that's it. Now the only thing I don't like is that this particular, you can hear that, that's the longest it's ever run before. This particular inverter has a fan on it that I was hoping would only kick in when we were running the motors, but it does periodically just do a short 2-second cooling function. So I'm gonna check that out. I'm gonna kind of watch that. I don't know if I like that. They have smaller inverters at Harbor Freight with no fan. So I might take a look at doing that too. But I'm going to check this out, see how long this battery will last set up like this. I'm hoping I'd only have to charge it maybe once a month. And then I've got power to the chairs here without having to do anything elaborate. Now, you might have carpet and whatnot where you can hide a wire. I really don't have that luxury. I have tile and hardwood floors where I'd really have to come up with something pretty intense to run power here conspicuously. So there it is, guys. Didn't find anything on the internet on this, so I thought I'd share my idea. Thanks for watching. One last thing on this, guys. I did get very lucky, and on this particular model couch, there is a pretty big opening where all of this hides really nicely in here. So let me, this really just kind of lowers. So I got pretty lucky that right here in this chamber, all that fits in there perfectly. And you can't really see anything from behind either. So pretty cool.